everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In today's video we're going to take a closer look on this new Manchester City third jersey of this season 2022-2023. I let this one customized with the Premier League badge and the no room for racism badge, also with Haaland number 9 on the back. Before we check this one out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, way more videos on the way, so don't miss it out. I bought this one from Ccsport24, check the link in the description as well to make sure to know who the seller is. And it's the fan version, so now let's check this one out. Third jersey of Manchester City. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not a big fan of this jersey. I think it's overall a pretty decent one, but I'm not really into it. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Way more videos on the way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.